Hello guys, good afternoon to all of us. My name is Arta Dinanta Kaban. I'm from grade 11 RPL 3. Here I will present the result of my present. That is presentation hardware. How to make a strike cable. UTP cable function. This cable is often used to connect a computer to another computer via a network device. Not only that, this cable is also often used to connect from computers to other network devices such as router and switch. To make a strike cable, we must prepare and have the following tools. Number 1. Crimping pliers. 2. UTP cable. 3. RG45 connector. And number 4. Cable tester. Making strike UTP cable. First of all, peel the end of the UTP cable about 2 cm. Then, untie the cable, straighten and arrange the cable according to drawing standard. After that, the order is according to the standard. Cut and flatten the end of the cable. Next, insert the strike and parallel cable into the RG45 connector and make sure all cables are positioned correctly with the following positions. Orange-white on pin 1, orange on pin 2, green-white on pin 3, blue on pin 4, blue-white on pin 5, green on pin 6, white chocolate on pin 7, chocolate on pin 8. Finally, crimping cable using crimping tools. And the last step is to check the cable that we made earlier by using a length tester. That's my presentation and I would like to express my gratitude. Bye bye.